Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is RP, and if you are new, welcome, and if you are not new, welcome back. I have a very special video for you guys. It's gonna be a styling / haul video. I do a lot of haul videos on my channel, so I thought I would switch it up a bit and do a haul video with some styling tips and tricks to elevate your day-to-day style. I'm all about the simple, chic look, but you know, I try to make it high fashion sometimes, you know, once a week or so when I go out. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe if you guys like videos like this, and just, you know, help a sister out. I appreciate all of you guys who watch my videos and are helping me grow on this platform. Either way, I have a good one coming, so stay tuned. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with something very casual, very simple to, you know, just be in when you're like at home or whatever. So these are my essential sweatpants. They are amazing. If you guys don't know about essentials, please get on it because they're like such good quality and they just fit so perfectly, and they're unisex, so me and my boyfriend kind of like have so many of them. And then my top, it's from Aritzia. I've already made a video with this top in it and it kind of matches the sweats, so I'm going with this brownish color. So I would pair these with socks. Okay, so I have these socks from Aritzia. I only wear like ankle or high, and then I scrunch them because when you scrunch them with sweats, it kind of blends in and it looks really dope. So you can pick if you want to go stupid matchy, which is sometimes my vibe, but I usually go with white. So I would style them with some white socks. Okay. Since they're ankle length, I don't have to scrunch them, but they're like that. I have two shoes that I usually wear when I wear sweats. I can go with my Yeezys or my Yeezy slides. Let's just go with Yeezy slides. You can do this with any slides or any chunky, I guess, sneaker. A lot of girls do like Air Force Ones. I do have Air Force Ones, but they're so dirty that it would be embarrassing to show you guys. So it would be like this, super casual with like a little bag, crossbody bag, backpack, just like an everyday look. And I always like to accessorize, even if I'm wearing sweats. I always put on like gold earrings, some necklaces, and shades. I have these, oh my god, they're so dirty, from Desi shades. Shout out to my girl Desi. I am a fan of everything she does. So yeah, I just go with a cute little shade and a similar shade. I should start a rap career, but yeah, this is it for like a chill outfit. This is my second outfit. I'm gonna just jump straight into it. This is a dress that I bought from Zara recently. It is a size small and it's very tight in the breast. I think it's pretty small, I would say, but I would probably not go up in this because it would probably be too big at that point. I just know how Zara works, and it's a really cute like summer night moment. I put on some white docs because I feel like it just gives it a little more edge and contrast. And then I would put a black pair of sunglasses on just because the shoe already has like a little bit of black in it. So I think it's a good contrast, but you can always do like a little heel or sandals and just do like, you know, a very cute casual nighttime or daytime outfit. And then I paired it with my white Jacquemus bag. This is my next look. It's also another dress I got from Zara. It is a size small, but it's kind of like it runs big, I would say. And the top part is a little strange. Like I don't know how to tie this up. It looks very weird, but it is cute and funky, and it's very comfortable, and it's pretty thick, so it's not see-through or anything. And I would match this with my little Jacquemus and some white slide-on heels, and this would just be like a cute summer day nighttime look for like lunch with the girls. I wouldn't wear necklaces with this, even though I have them on. I would just put like earrings because the neck is already a little too busy, so I would just do a chunky earring look and call it a day. My next look is more of a nighttime look. I bought this from Zara. It's a size medium. It's already oversized. It's meant to be oversized, so if you are gonna get it, don't size up. Just get your size because it's, you know, it's already big. I got a medium because I like them to be a little bigger than just like regular oversized look. I paired it with my A Goldie Asymmetrical Jeans, which literally are my fucking new favorite jeans. I wear them all the time. They're so comfortable. I got these from Wasteland. They're just like a easy slide on heel. And I got my bra from Target. Okay, so this bra is the best thing you can ever buy. It's only $15. I'm no longer gonna spend more than $15 on my bra because why would I have to? I actually wear it underneath my blazers. I think it's like a little sexy. I wouldn't wear it just like on its own, but if you have something to cover up with, I think it's cute and classy. And I would just pair it with black sunnies if it's gonna be a daytime look, and if it's gonna be a nighttime look, you could do like a black, you know, whatever black bag you have, or you can do like a pop of color. If I had a purple bag, I would do that. You know, I think purple and green look good. Yellow, pretty much anything that looks good with green would be amazing. That is my look. This look is literally iconic. I actually wore this out already and I got so many compliments. It's so simple yet very elevated. This is a top from Aritzia. It's like a stretchy, just cut off t-shirt. It's a very nice material. I did put my Target bra underneath. I don't have a white bra, so that's why I'm wearing the black one, but I do plan on getting a white bra. I have these Zara pants that I got a while ago. I don't know if they sell them anymore, but you can pretty much wear any white bottom. I would say something baggier is better just because it's like trendy right now and it's a little more stylish. I'm not a personal fan of white jeans, but any white pant, unless the jeans are white and baggy, I think that's dope. And I just paired it with the same white heels as earlier. I think it's a very simple and cute everyday lunch outfit. It's really good for summer. And for this look, I would just go heavy on the jewelry, put a lot of rings on. I don't have rings on because my nails are just so horrible right now, but rings, maybe a chunky necklace, some chunky earrings, and that's it. This is literally all you need. And a white bag. If you don't have a white bag, you can do a pop of color. Right now, like the pink and the orange and green is in, so I think that would be cute too. And I wore this actually with like a white little button down, but it's in the laundry, so excuse me, I don't have it. And yeah, this is it. I recently bought Cowboy Boots, as you can tell, and I fucking love them. Like, they're so pretty. I just don't know really how to style them that well yet. Like, I see girls rock them, but on me, like, I've tried a lot of outfits and I feel like the best way I can personally wear them and make them work is like with like a baggy jean and just a simple top. I did try it with other tops. It looks cute, but it just depends. I've tried it with dresses too and it looks good, so I would do dresses. I just don't particularly like them with any kind of pants, and if it's a skirt, I think like a jean skirt would work best. But I mean, for me it was a little harder styling this. I bought these shorts from Zara. I don't love them, but I'm just showing you the look, like how I would wear them. I prefer Levi's shorts. The same top from earlier, a cute white bag, and some cowboy boots. These also look cute with the dress, like I mentioned. I think that you can rock it if, you know, that's your vibe. But personally, this is how I would do it. This is my final outfit. I didn't really want to style it because I want to focus on the outfit itself, because you can go two ways with this outfit. It is naturally a little more outgoing, so if you want to dress it down, you can wear like sneakers with this outfit. And if you want to dress it up, I would put heels on. But I already mentioned this top in another post, the Amazon must-haves. If you want to watch it, I'll post it up here and you can click on it and watch that video, but I pretty much got this top for $12 or so. I think it's a steal. I actually wore it in a different way right now. I tied it behind my neck. Usually I would just cross it over and tie it behind my neck this way, but you can do whatever you like. And I'm sure there's a bunch of videos on TikTok and YouTube that show you a dozen other ways to wear it. So I think it's a steal, and I just love the colors. So this is it. I hope you guys like it. This is my first time wearing a bikini on here, and it's kind of nerve-wracking, but I'm still gonna do it just because I think that this bikini is so cute and definitely worth it. This is a size small top and small bottom. I already exchanged the top for a size medium. I thought I'd wear the small just to show you kind of the look. It's digging into my back, and I'm also not gonna turn around just because the bottoms are very cheeky and you can kind of adjust it into like whether you want it completely open or a little more closed. But I think the bottoms are okay in regards to the size, but the top is definitely too small. Personally, I don't always like to spend too much money on a bikini just because I get over them a few times after I wear them. So I think this is a very affordable bikini that you can kind of wear this summer. Thumbs up for this bikini. This top is the black version of the green top, same one from Zara, but this one is a size medium and it just fits a lot better, so I know the green one is gonna fit a lot better. I didn't get the bottoms to this because I have black bottoms I can use that are simple, but they do sell them, and I even think that the combo of the green and the black work really well too, so I think it's super cute and I wanted to show you guys. So I definitely suggest getting these. I think the top is about $25. Like, that's pretty cheap for a cute bikini top. Other places would sell it for like 100, you know, so I would get on it. And yeah, okay, I am back where I started in my cozy t-shirt, and I am gonna probably spend like an hour cleaning my room, but it was totally worth it for you guys. I hope you guys like this video, and if you do like this video, once again, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate you guys, love you guys, and I will see you guys next time.